Once again, we're back. Greenwood Stocks coming at you. We are looking at VENAR. So whenever we see this pattern and we can draw trend lines in a hole, that's very bullish. So we went red to green here, and as you see this stock moving up, following the tape with time and sales, but it's breaking out. So again, that extreme sell-off, we call it an end pattern. Call it an end pattern because it forms like an end. So whenever we see this, we see volatility and a stock being able to have a wide range of movement. So as you see right now, this is live. This is breaking out. Okay, this is breaking out right here. And after it broke this resistance, which was a pre-market high from before, it's holding this moving average. Then we see the volume start coming in. So we're doing 200,000 shares every 5 minutes. So I mean, that's very bullish. You know, where volume goes, price goes. So we're just looking at some different stocks that have moved, but this is our biggest position. We want to see at least 100% from here. As you see, it hasn't been trading very much at all. The high is $1, so we can easily test that. And from this candlestick, looks like we're going to get there. So let's look at MTSL. MTSL was a huge, looked like a pump actually, but it started running big after hours. Whenever you see this cup and handle, when the volume dies down and then starts to pick back up, you see the cup and then you shoot off. So not bad to take profits right here if you want to. What's going on with our IPO? Ooh, big sell-off. So again, these IPOs follow the same pattern. I'm gonna go over these because we got another IPO coming up, so you can be prepared. They normally halt at least 3 times before an extreme pullback, before they make support. Okay, so when we see this move up and then we finally get some support, that's when you can see a run up from the bottom all the way aftermarket, pre-market. And again, normally, see the Chinese IPOs, they normally gap up and keep running, but this one kind of sold off. But again, from $20 to $70, a great ride. We'll take that all day, every day. SYSX, this stock is one we missed. And you see it's trading perfectly. It's trading with the moving. You don't want to miss these because you don't see a pull. You don't see shakeouts and volatility. You know, you didn't get the TCAT effect. I'll show you the TCAT effect. This is the TCAT effect. From 2 to 30 to 19 to 40 to 20 to 70. You know, you don't get that. So whenever you get a stock that's trading technically sound, then you want to stick to it as long as it's trading well. So right now the market is really choppy. Let's look at the Dow Jones. All-time highs, but remember, with the, this is the NASDAQ, when you're looking at these, remember that when the big caps are getting money flow, the small caps are suffering, because people can just stick money in Apple and get a nice return. They can stick their money in Tesla and get a nice return. So, you know, why would they deal with these volatile stocks that are all over the place? It doesn't make sense, especially big investors. So just keep a heads up on market conditions. Only trade what is only trade what's really very, very high probability in this market, because it's just not worth it to get chopped up. And when I mean chopped up, I mean stopped out before it runs. You buy, it pulls back. You buy on the pullback, it goes lower. You know, it's choppy. You know, it's up and down. So we just want to trade smart. Make sure you're taking profits. Again, if you're green, the most important thing is the entry. So if you're green, if we're green right here, you know, and we're getting green candlesticks, I'm not taking profits until I'm ready, or it shows signs of, you know, a downward move. So CGA has been holding. We tweeted about this, but it's breaking out every day. Now back to VENAR. Let's pull back a little bit. So this stock is it's acquisition. It's really cheap, and the CEO is from Princeton. We know Princeton people do not come to lose; they come to win. So the CEO is also the former CEO of Greenland Technologies, GTEC. So let's look at the history. You know, he took a $2 stock all the way to $26. I would say that's a pretty good track record. So if you need coaching, definitely reach out. greenwoodstocktrading@gmail.com. Please like, share, subscribe. Remember, the market will teach you lessons much more expensive than a mentor. So don't try to figure it out. Take someone's mistakes that has experience trading, market, and leverage that so that you won't have to go through, and the learning curve is so much better. So anybody that you look at had a mentor. Anybody that you see that is successful, they say XYZ. You know, these things, these people helped me to get to where I am. So, you know, don't be scared. Shoot me a text, shoot me an email. Let me know what your goals are, and we will get you taken care of. Like, share, subscribe, and we will see you on the green side. God bless.